Click on the link below to get price. The Juki IKonix DDL9000C-FMS is a full digital sewing machine designed with advanced features to cater to the needs of both industrial and home sewing enthusiasts. This model stands out in the realm of sewing machinery, combining technological advancements with user-friendly functionality, making it a noteworthy option for those seeking precision and efficiency in their sewing projects. At first glance, the DDL9000C-FMS showcases a sleek and modern design, indicative of its digital capabilities. It incorporates full digital tension control, allowing users to achieve consistent and reliable stitching across a variety of fabrics. This digital aspect is particularly beneficial when working with materials that require specific tension settings to ensure a high-quality finish. One of the prominent features of the Juki IKonix DDL9000C-FMS is its adjustable foot pressure. This allows users to customize the pressure applied by the presser foot, accommodating different fabric thicknesses and types, which can enhance the overall sewing experience. Additionally, the machine boasts an automatic foot lift, a feature that can significantly ease the process of maneuvering fabric, especially during intricate sewing tasks. The built-in trimmer is another noteworthy function that streamlines the sewing process. It provides the convenience of cutting threads automatically, which can save time and effort, particularly in high-volume sewing environments. Furthermore, the BackTack function is designed to reinforce stitches at the beginning and end of seams, ensuring durability and structural integrity in finished projects. When it comes to usage, the DDL9000C-FMS is equipped with a needle positioner that offers users the ability to set the needle in either the up or down position. This can be particularly advantageous when pivoting corners or working with small, detailed areas. The digital interface is intuitive, allowing for easy navigation through settings and adjustments, which can be especially helpful for those new to digital sewing machines. In conclusion, the Juki IKonix DDL9000C-FMS presents a comprehensive set of features designed to enhance the sewing experience, emphasizing precision, ease of use, and adaptability across a range of sewing projects. Its combination of technology and thoughtful design may appeal to both seasoned sewists and those venturing into the world of sewing machinery for the first time. Whether for industrial use or home crafting, this machine offers a reliable option to consider.